Let us solve this equation. The square root of x over x minus 3, all of it squared, minus 24 is equal to 10 times the square root of x over x minus 3. Now what I'm going to do, since I see this square root of x over x minus 3, I'm seeing it more than once, I'm going to actually use a substitution. So let's think of a different letter or variable that will stand for this square root. I usually use m because it's very different from the x's we usually see. So let m equal to this square root of x over x minus 3. Now we'll rewrite the equation that we were given using m's instead. So we'll have m squared minus 24 is equal to 10m. Now this is starting to look like a quadratic equation.